I feel that in school, cause the classes are bigger, it's like harder for the teachers to have one-to-one concentration on each student. So I feel like in bright culture, the teachers here can have better interaction with students to ensure that like we understand what's going on.
And like most of the time, I feel like teacher doesn't really give us a lot of worksheets to practice on. Whereas at like bright culture, right, we have a lot of revision and a lot of like practice worksheets so you can go home and do, so you can be more confident during exam.
I think having the apparatus here in bright culture has really allowed me to improve my skills in practical. Unlike in school, the teachers also have to rush through the practical and we don't really have much time to sit down and think about it. Here in bright culture, I was able to slowly think about what I wanted to do during the practical, and I was able to have a more meaningful practical session because I was able to do the practical properly.
We are also promoting reflective learning here at Bright Culture for A-level students. Instead of rushing through the syllabus, I think we should take a step back and actually think about what we are learning so that we can fully understand the concept here and apply it to our exam questions as well as to different real-life situations with regards to chemistry.
I feel that bright culture is a fun and engaging place to learn chemistry with. Especially with Miss Bernice, which is my chemistry tutor. She's a very fun and enthusiastic teacher, and she always uses a very nice and warm tone and make chemistry lessons very enthusiastic for me. So I always anticipate to come to Bright Culture for chemistry lessons.
So in Bright Culture, we aim to deliver chemistry lessons to be fun, engaging and interactive. What students face is difficulty in learning chemistry is that they cannot see what they are learning. So in Bright Culture, our teachers will actually break down the concepts for them, allowing them to see what exactly chemistry is about. And with our winning and champion formula guidebooks, which actually will teach them how to be a winner and champion in their own way. Other than academic, we also hope to take care of the emotional aspects of our students. I think it's important for our teachers to also listen to what our children want to say. So in Bright Culture, just something very simple. We hope that our learners will be happy, because when you are happy, you can achieve what you want to be.